Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus students, let's find where this piecewise function is not differentiable. We will analyze the graph's sharp turns and vertical tangents to find the answer. First, look at point R where the line segment meets the first semicircle. There's a sharp corner here, meaning the slopes from the left and right sides do not match. Next, check point where the two semicircles connect. This is another sharp cusp where the instantaneous rate of change jumps suddenly, so the derivative simply cannot exist at this value. At points, the semicircle has a horizontal tangent. Since the slope is 0 and continuous, the derivative is well defined to S. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and trust the graph to find corners.